Hi guys, I'm Oma Many. Today we are going to be in my kitchen and we are going to be making some meals out of some turkey. So yesterday we had a full turkey dinner, like turkey, mashed potatoes, vegetables, that type of thing for Sunday. And then today we took the carcass down and we're boiling the carcass down, taking the meat off of that, and then trying to make some extra meals with the other side dishes. By the end of this video, we will have 4 meals from that one turkey to feed, get this, 15 people at each meal. So come along and I'll share how I do this. Okay, so we had the pot boiling down and now she has what looks like just bones, but she's gonna pick through this and get all the meat out of that so we can make some more meals. Okay, so here's the bones and here's the chicken. Look how much chicken comes from, or turkey comes when you think that you have used it all up. That is a good, I'm gonna stretch that to at least 2 meals. All right, so we got a bunch of ingredients for this. What we're going to do is we're gonna take about half of this turkey and dump it in the bowl. And then my other daughter's gonna take these 4. These are just the leftover cream of chickens that we have. She's gonna dump all 4 of those in there. Don't worry, hands have been washed. And then my other daughter is going to open some broccoli. I think about 3 probably of those. I noticed that the meat wasn't actually cut down. I thought it had already been cut down, but that's my fault. I didn't ask that. So I'm just going to take these big pieces and cut it down smaller, just because we have smaller kids and it makes it easier for them as well. So just cutting these all down. I know, so professional, guys, so professional. Any skin bits going out. Sometimes I forget with so many kids, like who does what with things normally and how it looks when it's done. So I should have like paid more attention to that, honestly. Let's see. One's that way. Do you guys do that if you've had lots of kids? Like you think that one child does it one way and another child does it another way, and you forget who does what in that certain way, and how you need to specify with certain people and you don't need to specify with others. Yeah, that's real life momhood, isn't it? So, pieces of turkey all cut up. Now, we are going to add some broccoli to this. Now, you could add more turkey if you wanted to. I'm trying to stretch this for another meal. So I am not. I am like this. You could use fresh broccoli as well if you wanted. But I'm going to do 3 bags of the broccoli. I have it, so I may as well use it. Okay, so now I am going to take some broth. This is the broth that we just cooked the turkey down in. I'm just going to put this down there so that some of the broccoli just defrosts slightly. And now we're going to mix this up. So this is just the cream of broccoli soup, the turkey, the broccoli. Mixing this all in together. Can you go grab some dough and some salt, please? So she's going to grab seasonings as I do this. This is going to need to be watery. I'm actually going to make it more watery in just a second, but it's just going to be an eyeball of things rather than a specific amount that I'm going to do. So there we go. Big mushy mess. Now I'm going to take some, I had 3 boxes of these stovetop turkey. I am going to use these up. These are left over from, I think, the sale for Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna do all these. I don't really need a lot of seasoning in this because you wouldn't even need to season it at all if you don't like things heavily seasoned. Because the stovetop already has a lot of seasonings in it. Just going to grab the 3rd box. There we go. Now we're going to mix this a little bit, and then I'm going to add broth in here as well. All right, now let's grab some broth. Do 4 more scoops. Stir this up, and then I'm going to let it set for about 5 minutes and see if it is where I like it. Actually, let me mix the seasonings in there first before I let it set. I'm just adding some extra olive oil and then a pinch of salt. You do not need to do this, like I said before. Let me add 1 more. Yeah, I think I'm going to do 1 more before I let it set. So 1 more broth in there. Yeah, that looks great. So my daughter just sprayed this pan, and then we are going to dump this in our big old steamer pan. I did cut up, there was a few big broccolis in there that were really big, and I did cut those up a little bit. I might need to cut a couple up before I throw them in the oven too, depending on what's on the top here. So I'm just gonna grab the spatula now, clean this up, and spread it out. Remember to use your spatulas. Look how much I just got from the bowl. That's like a whole toddler's meal.
And you can make the cookies.
Rejoice, what color do you want? Do you want green?
And this was for supper. We just had this with some apples, and she's cutting this up. That's the meat, rest of the meat, and she's cutting it smaller. This is what we have left for broth, and we are going to make a big old pot of soup. I have 3 bags of these mixed vegetables left, so I'm gonna just throw those in there. All right, so here's the chicken here. Turkey, I keep saying chicken. We're gonna dump this in here. Get our spatula out again in just a minute. I have just some, it depends on the day what I want to do for seasoning. I'm just going to do the rest of this Mrs. Dash's. I also am going to grab 2 more bags of these organic veggies. 1 and 2. My daughter is scraping out that bowl. Then we just filled our rice jar, and we have a little bit of rice left over. I am going to dump that little bit of rice in there. Maybe 2 cups. All right, now let me stir this up.
Would you like pizza? Like that?
Okay, I am going to add about 2 more quarts of water. I'm going to grab a good pinch of salt, probably a tablespoon, and I'm going to grab 2 quarts of water, and then I'm going to turn this on. Make sure you cover it when you turn it on. Okay, so here's the soup. This is what the kids are going to have, or I say the kids because I am cooking right now. So this is the chicken noodle soup. And then my daughter is just taking, we have some stale bread, so we're going to take the stale bread. That's garlic and oil slathered all over it, and then we have some butter and stuff. She's just going to throw that into the oven to go with this. Okay, so here's the two big dishes. This is the turkey and broccoli casserole, and then this is the turkey soup here that we are going to have with that bread in just a minute for lunch. So this would probably be a meal, and then I'd have like that much left. And then this would probably have a little portion left. So it'd be 1, 2, and then if I put the two of those together, that would be a third meal. So we had the turkey meal, we have this casserole meal, we have this soup meal, and then we have one more that would be a combination of the both of those meals. So 4 meals off of 1 turkey.